boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 9th. I want to thank you all for your hard work this week. You have been doing a fabulous job on your A to Z reading. 6-year-olds, today you're going to be working on a alliteration poem. We're also going to review some words that have to do with poetry. They are the following: rhyme, rhythm, repetition, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. Today, though, the poem that you are going to be working on is an alliteration poem. Then you have your math book, 433 to 436, and your skinny math book, 203 to 206. Sevens, for today, your schedule looks like this. You have an A to Z story to do. Then you're going to be working on your spelling word sentences, taking your spelling test, and taking a quiz on Gabriella. And then you're going to be working on sorting two-dimensional shapes. This is a short week. We have a extended weekend. You have Friday off, Saturday and Sunday, the regular weekend, and Monday off. It's a holiday. Some people celebrate Easter during this time, so we have this time off. I hope that it gives you plenty of time to rest, sleep in, listen to music, read a book, play games with your family, and just have a wonderful time. That's why it's not working.